Hello guys, it's Mercabert. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be finishing up this Ombre serving board. The wood species I used in this board are hickory, zebra wood, and bocote. I just got done raising the grain, so I'm going to wait until it dries and then sand it with 220, and one last time at 320. And stick around till the end to see it all oiled up and finished. Hey, I just wanted to go over some of the tools that I use when I sand. I have included the links to all these products in the description below. I'll start with my sander. I use the Milwaukee M18. Any Orbital sander will do, but I like battery powered. That way I don't have to worry about any cords. If you're using a battery powered sander, you're going to want to get at least 2 big batteries since these sanders go through batteries quick. Then you can always keep one battery on the charger and you don't need to stop sanding to charge your batteries. I also use this sand plane that I picked up at my local Woodcraft. I use this to sand the edges of my boards. It comes with 4 different sanding profiles, but most of the time I'm just using this flat one. I use this grip mat that I got from Home Depot. It works great for holding your workpiece still while you sand. I use this RZ mask anytime I'm creating wood dust. This one works okay, but I would recommend getting the one with the head strap. This one tends to slip down over time and puts a lot of pressure on your nose. I use this sandpaper cleaner. It works great at cleaning sandpaper that gets gunked up with wood dust over time, and will help you get the most life out of your sandpaper. If you liked this video and want to see future videos like it, please subscribe and hit the like button, and turn on bell notifications to be alerted whenever I upload a new video. This really helps a lot to support the channel. Time to oil it up. I like to use Walrus Oil. They really put a lot of effort into supporting your local wood shop.